All right, first day at Universal, and we are heading into Epic Universe.
Friends on a road trip.
It's pretty sweet when you walk in. We're doing the rope drop. Wow, people are on a mission. It almost reminds me of like Christmas time at Walmart.
Back up! It's gonna tip! Look out! Move!
This is why Brooke is a genius. If you look behind me, everybody back there is running to Harry Potter. We are going to Dark Universe. Something to keep in mind when you come here, everyone else is going the same way. Hundreds and hundreds of people are running to Harry Potter at the rope drop. Throughout the park, there's these like portals that bring you into the different lands. And this is the one we're going through here. This just looks awesome.
Dark.
This is really cool. What do you guys think? What do you think, Isaac?
Yeah,
Pretty cool. Elijah, you think it's pretty cool? Isn't it awesome? You walk in and there's all the steam and everything on the ground. That's pretty sweet. Wow. It's pretty cool, huh, Mommy?
Oh yeah, that's like way themed.
Oh, yeah. Frankenstein ride. Incredible. Nobody's on this ride. That is what's awesome. Frankenstein, pretty awesome. Elijah, what'd you think?
Yeah, that was cool.
That was way cool. Where's Mommy? What'd Mommy think?
I liked it because it didn't make me feel sick, and I thought it was cool how it combined like the screens and animatronics.
Yes, that was cool. That was awesome. Isaac, what'd you think? What'd you like about it?
I liked it.
What'd you like about it?
The twists and turns.
The twists and turns?
There's so much animatronics.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Good, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job. We're heading to the Curse of the Werewolf. We just did the Frankenstein ride. Now we're doing the Werewolf ride. What'd you think of the werewolf ride? Pretty cool. What'd you like about it? What in particular?
Maybe like when we were about to go over the thing, but then we came back.
I know, huh? That was pretty surprising, huh? It's pretty cool. Werewolf ride was awesome. A lot better than I thought it would be. Turned out really good. It didn't spin a ton. So at first I was thinking, well, is it gonna spin a bunch? But no, it actually not too shabby. It was a good ride. So recommend. Right there we have the Burning Blade Tavern. I'll bet that thing looks pretty cool. All right, we are now heading over to the Doss Stakehouse. It's a very themed restaurant, essentially owned by vampires. We're gonna go in there. Food is the bread and the buns on the burgers and the steaks and the steak sauce. It's all got a theme to it. Sounds like it's gonna be pretty cool. Just left Frankenstein land and we are going to Isle of Burke. How to Train Your Dragon.
Start.